All right, guys, I got to make it short tonight. SPY hanging out at all-time highs, though. Very strong market. And I missed a chunk of the middle of the day, so I did not trade very much. But I'm loving what we're doing. I'm loving the new experiment, looking for those retest areas. I think that's going to be a hot new setup. So let's keep doing it. I love when I see multiple people post the same idea. That tells me we're on the same page. So the teamwork's great, but I got to go right into what I'm watching for tomorrow. Let me put this up because we've got new faces in the chat room. Everybody read that. Most of you read it. If you haven't read it, pause the video and read the whole thing. It's a good description of what we're about. Not investing. We look for stocks that are in play and then intraday A-plus setups to make our money between the bells, right? So, and speaking of which, this BULL, nice volume today and a really strong close. Definitely could be worth watching tomorrow. ARQQ put in an inside day. I like the flag here on the daily, and you got this inside day after yesterday's big rip. USAR, while I was gone today, I guess they came out and talked about a big tariff on rare earths from China, and that popped the US related rare earths. USAR looks pretty good to me. It's holding up really well. That one goes on watch. HYPD. I like that flag there. That's the old EYEN. BBAI, nice pop today. That's one of them. We were looking at that intraday retest. I like the volume too and a pretty strong close. And we have that recent high from a little over a week ago that could be a catalyst for higher prices if we can break that too. So RDW, just recent little extra volume, had this pop, pulled back and is pushing to new recent highs. And maybe we're going to retest this area. QBTS, Quantum Play, nice flag break today and still has that 1977 above. Really strong day though, love the volume. ZURA, just a big rip today. Pretty extended, but we're gonna watch it. PLL also went with the rare earths. You see this big volume spike here, still only 1.5 million to tell you kind of how thin that one is, but looks like it topped out back here at 9. Let's see what today's high was, 848. So, maybe through today's high tomorrow, maybe we make a run at that 9. It's a little extended from the moving averages, but I do want to watch it. Weird chart here in ABVE. So you had this crazy pop, then the gap up. Looked like it was rolling over, and now it's heading right back up. Good volume today. We're day traders. We want to watch that one. PDYN, nice breakout today. Drone related. SOC. Certainly worth watching with that big pop. PEW, again, this is the old CLBR, and I don't have the charts melded with Thinkorswim, so I've only got the chart since PEW, since the symbol changed to PEW, but now we've fallen from 2140 down to a low of 924 today. I'm just putting that on bounce watch. You guys know what to look for. You see a bounce play set up tomorrow, post it, and I'll do the same. I do think we could get a nice snapback bounce in that. TELO, nothing there. Well, big volume today, but the reason it's on watch is because in after hours, it's trading right now at 171 and one as high as 192. They did have a headline, and then BZAI also had a headline in after hours. So closed at 303. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 468. On a really nice sounding headline, so absolutely one to watch as a gapper tomorrow. And that's it. I'll add gappers with you all about 6:30 in the morning. We'll start adding gappers to add to this list. Should be plenty to trade, and let's keep the teamwork thing going. I'll see you guys in chat.